Welcome back, everybody, to the African savannah. Today we're going to be looking at one of nature's rarest and majestic creatures, the brown-spotted jarrif. Today we spotted many different jarrifs, each of which have their own job. They eat apples and oranges. That's a fact. Let's tune in. The worker jarrif is the second most common and the least trained jarrif. It makes shelters out of sticks for all the other jarrifs, most of which the shelters aren't very small. Of course, the queen has a special shelter that is nearly 10 times as big. We'll get to the queen later. But for now, the worker jarrifs are only needed to fight when they must, when it's a very, very, very dire situation.
Gonna be here for a few seconds. I just gotta kill this guy. You know, they go for a lot on the black market.
As you can see, this is a worker jarrif. Or not a worker, that was the other guy. This is a farmer jarrif. They work for the queen and all the other jarrifs in planting food. As you can see, he's planting an orange, and that usually doesn't happen, because usually it's apple season, but right now it's during orange season. Just look at that poor beast peeling that orange to eat it. Although some jarrifs do not peel their oranges. Here we see one of the most capable and most powerful jarrifs, the warrior jarrif. That's right. So the warrior jarrifs, they fight for the queen alongside worker jarrifs in dire situations. As you can see here, he's training very hard against this tree. You get that tree, man. Yeah. Golly, an intruder. Let's see how he deals with this situation.
I thought we killed you buggers. Hajime! Ah. Ah. Why won't you die?
The queen is the rarest breed of jarrif. Only about 7 are born every 100 years. The queen watches over the young jarrifs and tells the farmers when to hunt. Or, no, that's the warriors. And tells the workers what to build. Tells the farmers what to plant.
Oi, we're here for your heads and money. Don't damage the merchandise. Let's go. I've learned your ways. Oh, nice. Hunter down.
No. No.
I got it. Oh. Man, that was gonna be cool. I was gonna like grab the gun at the last second and. Oh, sorry. Oh, wait, well, at least we're rich now, so.